Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix these error messages, that is MSVCP140.dll, VCRUNTIME140.dll or VC++ runtime was not found. So if you're receiving one of these error message on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to go ahead and fix this error message, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now scroll down here, you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. So you have to go ahead and install both x86 and x64 version. So click on both the exe file, that is x86 and x64. Click on both the files and then download the file. Now once the download is complete, run both the exe file. Click on repair or install whatever you see. Click on yes to allow. Click on the second file as well and then click on repair or install whatever you see. So you might see the install option or repair option. So let the installation complete. Now let both the installation complete, both x64 and x86 version. Now once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and click on restart. Restart is compulsory, so go ahead and restart your computer. You can either click on restart over here or you can close the box and then go to the start menu, click on the power icon and then click on restart. So after the system restart, you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.